so very, very painful, so hideous, your father will have no choice but to cooperate.
No.
All right, I'll tell you anything.
The Wolverines certainly have to put some points on the scoreboard. I'm sure that Green will come out throwing. He's got to get that ball down deep into Navy territory. Green now on third down. Looks to the left, throws in.
All right, Tim. Let's go.
Play, a very important play. Throws complete to Rhodes. He's inside the 50. He's to the 20. The clock is running down. Can the Wolverines do it?
What happened?
Where's the game?
Who is that?
Hello there.
He's on every station.
Well, call the FCC.
He's on my turn.
He's saying something.
Mr. President,
Within 1 week.
Everybody, calm down.
Calm down. Hell, this is an emergency. Did Michigan score?
Please, let's hear what the fellow
And I
has
shall
to
pick
say.
another target. It is little enough to ask. The life of one man against a Holocaust that could destroy the globe.
What the hell's he talking about?
Quiet.
And that's why I say again, give me Clouseau, and we can all sleep secure in our beds.
What's a Clouseau?
And so, next week, I shall give the world a demonstration of the awesome power I hold. On Saturday, October 9th, at precisely 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the United Nations building will vanish from the face of the earth.
And the gun goes off. The game is over.
Call the FBI, the CIA, and the Pentagon. Find out who won the game.